The duodenum is the first part of the small intestine, connecting the stomach to the jejunum. At 25 centimeters long, the duodenum is the shortest intestinal subdivision. The inner lining of the duodenum is made of crypts and villi that increase the surface area on the intestinal membrane, making digestion more efficient. The duodenum receives partly digested food, known as chyme, as well as bile released from the liver and gallbladder and pancreatic juices from the pancreas. Smooth muscle contractions are used to push waste products to the large intestine.
Carbohydrates are broken down by maltase, which is produced in the small intestine and is released into the small intestine. Protein is digested by two enzymes that are secreted by the pancreas and the small intestine and are released in the small intestine. Nucleic acid is digested by two enzymes, both produced in the pancreas and both released into the small intestine. Fat is digested by lipase, which is produced in the pancreas and released into the small intestine. The simple sugars, along with protein, are absorbed here. The main function of the small intestine is to digest fat into two things, glycerol and fatty acids.
There are four main layers in the duodenum. Going from deep to superficial, the first layer is the mucosa. It is made out of microscopic villi that absorb nutrients. There are also many mucus glands that secrete mucus to protect it from friction and acidic chyme. Surrounding the mucosa layer is the submucosa. Many blood vessels and nerves pass through the submucosa. Surrounding the submucosa is the muscularis layer that contains smooth muscles, tissues of the duodenum. These push the substances slowly to the rest of the small intestines. Finally, the serosa is the outermost layer of the duodenum that is connected to the mesentery. Serosa is a smooth, slick surface that secretes serous fluid to prevent friction between the duodenum and any surrounding organs. Bile produced in the liver and stored in the gallbladder travel through the hepatic and the cystic ducts and onto the common bile duct. Pancreatic juice containing enzymes travel through the pancreatic duct. The pancreas, liver, and gallbladder all deliver their digestive secretions into the duodenum through the orifice known as the ampulla of Vater, which is located roughly in the middle of the duodenum on the left.